It has been quite a while since we've done a Funko Pop unboxing. This one's gonna be a good one though. I just received this in the mail. Let's get this box open and see what I got. What I like about Funko is that they always package these things very securely. Well, first I've got one little box, one medium-sized box, and one, obviously, piece of clothing. Let's take a look at the piece of clothing first. How about this? 1, 2, 3. It's a D23 Funko shirt. So that should give you an idea where we're going with the rest of these Funkos. Let's get them open. We're gonna start with the small one. Whoop. Something's missing. This is the D23 Pilot Mickey Pop number 1232. You can see in the picture right here, it's supposed to have a sticker right here that says D23 Expo 2022, and that is not currently on the package. I don't know what's going on here. That's the whole point of this, is that it's the D23 Expo 2022. You can see my video right here of the Funko release day. I bought this directly from Funko. This one wasn't supposed to be available anywhere but on Amazon. Amazon didn't get these in until much later that day, and I think some of them didn't come until the next day. Okay, well, Pilot Mickey, so adorable. On the back of the box, it has "I flew on the mouse 234 mm. I think whenever you got to fly on this plane, you actually got one of these, so that's pretty cool. Let's get into the next Funko Pop, which is the slightly larger box, right here. Ha-ta-ta-ta-ta! This is the Pop Rides number 292, and I'm looking in the monitor on my camera, and I see that there's no sticker on this one either. What the French toast? This one's also supposed to have the D23 Expo 22 affixed right here onto the package, and it is not. Well, we're gonna see what we can do about that, because it's supposed to be on there. This one also has on the back the little Mickey I Flew on the Mouse certificate. That's a fun little pop. I saw that and I was like, oh my god, I have got to get that. I'm excited about my pops. I'm just a little disappointed that they don't have the sticker on there. We're gonna see what we can do about that. But the collection that I got today is Funko Pop number 1232 and Pop Ride number 292. There's also a couple other Funkos in this collection. There is a black and white Mickey from Plain Crazy Mickey, but I was actually able to order it through Amazon.com when they finally arrived. So that one should be on its way. I think they said it's supposed to be arriving like November 5th. And hopefully that's not gonna have a problem with the sticker. There was also a Box Lunch exclusive and Jiminy Cricket. I wasn't really interested in those, I just wanted the Mickey ones. Let's see what we can do about the stickers, and then we will get back with you guys.
4 to 6 days later.
It's been a couple of days actually. Funko no longer has a direct customer service phone number, so I had to go through email, and I received these Funkos on Friday. I immediately went to their website, filled out the form, and it basically says you gotta wait 3 to 5 business days for them to respond. So it is now Wednesday, and I finally received an email from them, and this is what it says. Good morning, Brandon. I'm sorry to see that you received your shipment and found that your stickers were missing. I will be putting a request in for 2 replacement stickers to be mailed to you. Ordinarily, they will mail out pretty soon. However, we are waiting to receive these stickers and have been experiencing delays. So we do not currently have specific estimates on processing or mail time. We appreciate your patience while we work to get this request on its way to you. If you would like an update to your request, please allow at least 4 full business weeks before reaching back out to us, and we'll be happy to check on that for you. Until then, I guess I'm just going to enjoy my Funkos without the sticker on the box, but with the knowledge that I have D23 Expo 2022 Funkos in my possession. I just gotta wait for the stickers. Somebody really dropped the ball, but it sounds like they're having issues actually getting these stickers in, and I feel like they knew that this was a problem. I'll keep you updated whenever I hear anything from Funko and whether I get my stickers or not, or when I get my stickers. Did you order the D23 Expo 2022 at Funko exclusives? Which ones were your favorite? Did you have this same problem with the stickers? I have looked online and a lot of people are saying saying they didn't get the stickers. Put it in the comments below. Let me know what your experiences are with this, or if this has ever happened to you before and how did you get it resolved. I look forward to seeing your experiences, and I look forward to getting this corrected. But until next time, remember, no capes.